And I had no idea that Martha would become synonymous with a brand. And living a brand is, my brand is me and I'm the brand.
Martha Stewart is a brand indeed, and her $400 million empire is built on the power of self-care. From mouth-watering recipes to heavenly home decor, at 81, she's the ultimate embodiment of age-defying confidence. Who needs anti-aging potions when you have Martha Stewart's self-care secrets? Want to know what these secrets are? Join us in today's video as we spill the beans on how this lifestyle queen stays forever fabulous. Who is Martha Stewart?
When a leg of lamb is boned and then opened up, it's referred to as having been butterflied. Of course, you could grill it as it is, or you could take the opportunity to make it even more delicious.
In case you're living under some rock and do not know who Martha is, it's your lucky day. Martha Stewart is a woman of many talents. She's a businesswoman, writer, and TV personality who has taken the world by storm. As the creator of Martha Stewart, Living Omnimedia, she's tackled a variety of business ventures and has become a prominent household name. Martha has shown us all what it means to be a true multitasker with her best-selling books, magazine publishing, and TV shows. Whether she's whipping up a delicious recipe or sharing her latest DIY projects, Martha Stewart is always on top of her game. Martha was born in Jersey City to a family of teachers. With her Polish heritage and Catholic confirmation name of Grace, she quickly became a force to be reckoned with. As a child, she rubbed elbows with the likes of Mickey Mantle and Yogi Berra while babysitting their kids, and organizing epic birthday parties. She even dabbled in modeling and starred in a cigarette ad back when that was still a thing.
Let me go back to New Jersey growing up. Your dad, influence he had?
Great gardener, a very artistic personality, a beautiful man.
Her father's love of gardening inspired her green thumb. He also taught her a lot of other skills.
Taught me how to paint, taught me how the feel of good fabric, taught me about being a perfectionist.
And cooking was taught to you by your mother?
Mother, yes, indeed.
And thanks to her mother, Martha learned how to cook and sew at a young age.
So this is one of the focal points of my garden. Along a 4-mile drive around the property is this pergola, and it's such a pleasant place to walk.
She was also quite the overachiever in everything from the school newspaper to the art club. After graduating from Nutley High School, she headed off to Barnard College. Over there, she started studying chemistry, but ultimately found her calling in art, history, and architectural history. And let's not forget about her modeling gigs for Chanel. These gigs helped her pay for tuition and introduced her to the man of her dreams, Andrew Stewart, who she married in 1961.
The sign at the local diner says it all. Welcome, Martha. Welcome to Alderson, West Virginia, the prison town that will be Martha Stewart's home for the next 5 months.
But Martha Stewart's life has not been a bed of roses. She had her share of struggles despite her success. She faced personal and professional setbacks, including financial losses and a prison sentence for insider trading.
What was a small personal matter became, over the last 2 years, an almost fatal circus event of unprecedented proportions. I have been choked and almost suffocated to death during that time.
During her time in prison, she used her experience to help other women. Martha's resilience and determination have inspired countless people, and she remains a powerhouse in the world of cooking, gardening, and home decor. However, one aspect of her life has remained constant despite the ups and downs. It's her dedication to fitness. Martha has a toned physique that many admire even at 81 years of age. So what's Martha's fitness secret? Let's find out. Fit and fabulous. Martha Stewart's secrets revealed. Ready to take your health advice from the queen of homemaking herself? Look no further than Martha Stewart for some expert tips on how to live a long and healthy life.
Now you're gonna punch your arm in the air. Now arms up. Again, here we go, punch it up.
I have to practice.
We'll practice, don't you worry.
Martha has always been an active person since the beginning of her career, and now she has practice too. She's so energetic that meditation is not her thing. As she said in an interview with CNBC, quote, "Do you think a hyper person like I can meditate? No, I'm not good at that." However, she enjoys doing Lyanger yoga, which involves a little bit of relaxation. She believes that outdoor activities are great for staying fit and healthy, and sitting all day indoors is not good for anyone. Horseback riding. Martha also loves horseback riding, which has been her hobby during the pandemic. Horseback riding is like a workout that doesn't feel like a chore. It makes your whole body strong and helps you stand up straight like a boss, just like Martha Stewart. Plus, it makes you better at moving around and builds muscles you didn't even know you had, and all while you're chilling with your horsey BFF and feeling like a total badass. Not to mention, it burns off some of those pesky calories and lets you breathe in some fresh air. No wonder Martha's always got a spring in her step. She's been horsing around for years. Pilates. Exercise is crucial for a healthy lifestyle, and Martha stays in shape with Pilates. Pilates is like yoga's cousin, who's more focused on building muscle and being flexible. But they're both still flexible enough to do a back bend at a family reunion. No wonder it's such a chill workout. It's all about balance. And the benefits don't stop there. Pilates also strengthens your core and straightens up your posture like you've got a stick up your back. In a good way, of course. Plus, it's been known to boost brain power. There's evidence that it even helps people recover from COVID-19. What's more, it can even make you sleep like a baby, so go ahead and give Pilates a shot. Green juice.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really delicious.
Excellent.
This is what I recharge my batteries with every single morning. I don't leave my house without it.
Martha's got her juice game super strong. Her green juice recipe is always changing depending on what fruits and veggies she's got growing or lying around. Spinach, apples, pineapple, papaya, fresh mint, you name it, she'll juice it, and you should too. In case you want to try Martha's own recipe, her website shares what you'll need. The Martha-licious green juice requires a green pear, like an anjou, 2 celery stalks with leaves, 1 mini cucumber, a bunch of parsley, a 1-inch piece of ginger, you could leave the skin on, and 2 orange wedges, also with the skin on. Toss it in a juicer, don't peel anything, keep it cool in the fridge, wash everything carefully, and sip it down when it's fresh and frosty. Not only will you feel like $1 million after drinking this green goodness, but your body will be thanking you for all the nutrients it's soaking up. So channel your inner Martha, my friends. Veggies. If you want to live like Martha, you've got to eat your veggies. This 81-year young knows the importance of a well-rounded diet and grows most of her own organic vegetables.
This is called Salanova, and this is like one of the most beautiful lettuces you have ever seen.
Martha spilled the tea on the Dr. Oz show that she's a veggie grower and lover. She revealed that she cultivates most of the organic vegetables she eats. She has a greenhouse for winter growing and a garden for summer. You may be wondering why you should go through so much hassle. Well, growing and consuming your own veggies has several benefits. For example, you get to enjoy fresh produce that's more nutritious than store-bought items. It also reduces your carbon footprint since your food doesn't have to travel long distances. Plus, it's also easier on your wallet. Imagine how much money you'd save if you didn't have to shell out cash for pricey organic food at the grocery store anymore. No wonder she's super rich. Protein.
So I will eat a light dinner, mostly fish-based or vegetable-based. Very little meat in my diet these days.
Did you know that according to studies, avoiding red meat can decrease your risk of mortality significantly? So Martha chooses to swim in the right direction and swaps out red meat for fish. Research suggests that eating red meat can increase inflammation in the body, leading to chronic diseases. These diseases include Alzheimer's, some cancers, heart disease, and diabetes. In contrast, a diet that includes lean meats like fish has been linked to better cardiovascular and cognitive health. This is because fish meat is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are good for your brain, heart, and overall health, so it's time to take a cue from Martha and enjoy all the benefits with a fish feast. No white flour. Martha's also all about avoiding white flour in her baking. White flour lacks essential nutrients. It can also lead to metabolic dysfunction and chronic conditions like obesity, diabetes, and hypertension, so next time you're baking up a storm, try out some healthy alternatives like almond or coconut flour. Moderate alcohol consumption. When it comes to alcohol, Martha is a firm believer in moderation. We all know that excessive drinking can be detrimental to health. Alcohol can severely damage your liver and cardiovascular system, therefore cutting it out or using as minimum as possible is the best solution to optimum health. Smoking is a big no. Finally, Martha knows that smoking is a major no-no. It's linked to numerous diseases and can significantly reduce your lifespan. So take a page out of Martha's book and stay clear of those cancer sticks. In conclusion, Martha Stewart's self-care secrets are undoubtedly the real deal. From horseback riding to Pilates and green juice, she proves that fitness doesn't have to be boring, as she continues to defy age with her toned physique and unbeatable energy. Martha Stewart reminds us that taking care of ourselves is the ultimate recipe for success, so let's follow in Martha's footsteps and start living out our best lives. And that's a wrap for today. What are your thoughts on Martha's fitness routine? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to punch that shiny red subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.